This is the National Museum of Scotland, and as you can imagine, there's a vast collection of historical artefacts, science exhibits, and other curiosities inside. One in particular holds a special spot in the history of Scottish science: Dolly the sheep. She was cloned in 1996 from a single cell taken from an adult Finn Dorset sheep's mammary gland. This breakthrough was made possible by a team of scientists led by Ian Wilmot at the Roslin Institute in Scotland. What made Dolly particularly special was that she was the first mammal to be cloned using a technique called somatic cell nuclear transfer. Along with her birth, hailed as a scientific milestone, came along with it fear, as it seemed that we were merely a step away from cloning ourselves. Ultimately, in 2003, Dolly was diagnosed with a progressive lung disease and sadly had to be euthanized. However, her legacy lives on at the National Museum of Scotland, where you can see her preserved body on display. Now, how did she get the name Dolly? Well, she's partly named after Dolly Parton, the singer, but more specifically she was named after the famous singer's big bust, as the scientists who created her, of course, used mammary gland cells to clone her. See the connection? So if you're interested in biology, genetics, or just want to see a piece of history, make sure you stop by the museum and have a closer look at Dolly yourself. And as always, you can join us on one of our 5-star walking tours. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to catch our latest uploads.